What's up? This is recorded 2 days after my 21st birthday. Woo! Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. 21 years, man. 21 years, and honestly, I look back and all I have to show for it is girl drama, female drama. And when I say female drama, I mean that anxious attachment to females, and like like women being your main carving point, your main striving point. That's it. That's a big issue you have, actually. A huge issue you have. Don't know why you have it, but you just crave the love and attention from somebody. When you need to be craving it from God, actually. You need to be craving it from Big God. And you know that, but you just choose not to. You're slow, buddy. You're slow. You're slow. But we're learning. I understand that. We're learning. 21. We're 21 years old, man. We're learning. We're in a whole new field. We're learning. And one thing that was on my mind that I learned is you can't do nothing without a foundation. You can't do nothing. You can't get nothing without some sort of foundation. And when you have no foundation, it's like when you've been dealt a kind of shitty hand, and like you want to strive for something in life, but no one around you in your life is realistically at that point you want to be at. And it's like, who's your mentor? Like, who do you go to? Who's your leadership? Like, who do you look towards? It's like you don't really have that. I don't really have that. And it's like I want to do so much. I see so much. And it's not the money. I don't care about the Rolexes, the designer clothes, the okay, I was gonna lie and say I don't care about nice cars, but it depends on the car we're talking about. The Trackhawks, the Hellcats, get that out of my face. No, I'm thinking a little bit of JDM. That's cars I like. JDM, American Muscle, drag racing, drift cars. I like those. Everything else you can keep that. Actually, old school cars. I like those too. Old school BMWs, old style old style Cadillacs. Mwah. But all that money hungry bullshit and blah 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 bullshit that people really strive for. I'm 21 and it's like I don't want that. And it's like, why don't I feel money hungry? It's like I don't feel as like, yeah, I need to make millions, man. I need to make millions. No. At 21, my mindset is I need to put out a plan for me right now that sets me up for a future I'm genuinely happy living. No matter what that looks like, no matter, shit can be in hell, but me having this one lifestyle, this one unique way of living a day-to-day life of what I do brings me happy, brings me joy. Like a family, that's a big thing for me. The family is genuinely why I continue to live every single day. And that's not I'm suicidal at all. I'm not suicidal at all, but it's like the family is a big is a big motivator in life. I'm rambling, honestly. I know I'm rambling. But it's a mess. 21 years old, you gotta do a lot of things. You gotta get to it. And, oh, I know what I was talking about. Not having that money hungriness. Like, I'm hungry for a legacy. I'm hungry for happiness. I'm hungry for peacefulness. I'm hungry for these things. I'm hungry to be like, yeah, I do this and I do this and I do this. And they be like, oh, how much money do you make? Stutter, loser, damn, can you get the words out? No. I cannot breathe and say that. Don't even clown me in the comments about like shut up. It's my video. Don't troll, gang. We talking about a serious moment, serious moments, man. Like one day, great great gam. I can't get the fucking joke out. I'm starting like a bitch. Fuck. But I'm not as money hungry. And I don't know if that's me to blame, but I'm 21. You have a lot of things to go for, a lot of things to do, a lot of things to set in motion before you can even get the end goal you want. So this video is a stamp, a reminder of what you need to do. And you know exactly what you need to do. So stop procrastinating and get the fuck up and do it. Simple as that. You know what you need to do. You're not that dumb. You're not slow. Just do it, man. Get right with God. You know what you need to do. You know before any basic foundation is started out, you need the most basic foundation, which is God first, before you can lay out anything, man. Get it done. Get it done. And watch it sprout. Get it done and watch it sprout. Okay? Okay. See y'all when things sprouted. Hopefully. Right, man.